Welcome guys to another video. So today we are going to use some purple Brussels sprout, and I've washed everything. So the Brussels sprout help with bone and your digestive health. So guys, I will list them as I go along the way. A apple a day keep the doctor away, and we are going to start our juicing. So let's get into it. So we're going to open the lid and we are going to pop some beetroots in, apples first. And we're gonna pour our Brussels sprouts in, and we're gonna put some cucumber in and a beetroot. Let's hope we have space for this, yes? And we're gonna start our juicing. So, purple Brussels sprout helps with lowering inflammation in the body and guard against chronic illness. So it's good when you can try and combine some of these things and make juice from them, because when you get them as raw, not cooked, raw, you get more nutrient and value from everything when it's more fresh, raw, not cooked. So I am enjoying making my juice, as the purple Brussels sprout also help with better digestion, and it provides vitamin C and A, and it helps with your bone, rich in vitamin K. And the purple Brussels sprout is a bit sweeter. It tends to have a milder, sweeter taste than the green one. So this is going to be such a lovely recipe. I would love for you all to try it out. And I've added some cucumbers in it. Lime hydrates your body. An apple a day keep the doctor away. I had more than one apples in it. And I have added 2 beetroot in this drink, and the beetroot lower your blood pressure, and it is packed with a lot of nutrients. It protects the heart because it has a lot of potassium. Help prevent damage to your blood vessel and reduce the risk of heart attack. Here I'm popping some Brussels sprouts in at the top with some apples. Look at how lovely this is. I didn't bother to core my apple this time. And here you have the cucumber. So this drink is good to clean your system, and it also prevents constipation. That's the beetroot, and it gives you a healthy gut. We also get manganese from beetroot, copper, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. So this is such a powerful juice, and I said everyone should try and invest in a juicer. And I must stress on your heart. So the beet is practically rich in folate, vitamins, and that play a key role in the growth and development of your heart. So guys, we almost have half of our mixing bowl. Let's look. So we are getting there. And beetroot can improve athletic performance. Look at the trash, how purple it is. And you can make smoothie with the trash, which I'm going to make a smoothie with the trash. Actually, I'm going to make a smoothie and show you guys with the trash with the NutriBullet soon. And this drink also supports your brain, mental, cognitive function. You know, when you age, it declines. Well, this juice is very good for it. Nutrient in beetroot may improve brain function by promoting the dilation of blood vessels, and this increase blood flow to the brain. So guys, hurry up and start do your juicing at home. And the ingredients in this juice help with anti-cancer properties. So the beetroot helps with it, fight cancer. Let's have a look at the top. Wow, look how beautiful this. So now guys, we are gonna let out our first batch of juice. So we have beetroot, Brussels sprouts, purple Brussels sprouts, apple, cucumber, and a lemon. So we're gonna just continue our juicing. So before we continue our juicing, we're gonna put all the rest of the ingredients in. The apple, didn't bother to core these apples this week, and we're gonna continue with the juicing. So here we are, and the apple I use as a sweetener as always. That's why I put apple in every juice that I make, that is the sweetener. And the beetroot is not only nutritious but also incredibly delicious and easy to incorporate in our diet. So we have half of a mixing bowl. I hope you all can see it. And the cucumber in this drink hydrates you, helps with weight control, high in water, low in calories, have vitamin K, helps with your skin, digestion, and this is such an easy recipe. So I'm cutting up some beetroot because I'm going to work and I don't want to be late. So I'm just cutting it up and I'm going to pop them in the juicer. The cucumber juice have something named silica, and it soothes swelling and nourish your skin. So who wouldn't want to add that in it? So guys, I've dressed up already for work, but I'm just doing this video quickly. Special shout out to Anne and Louis in France. Guys, run over and watch those videos that they have over there. So let's take a look at the trash. It's pretty dry. Look at that. Wow. Come on guys, take care of yourself. This is so good for your brain. Look at this juice. Wow. So we almost have a full mixing bowl. Wow. Look at that. Look how rich. I love my Cuvin out of 10. And cucumber also have magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. So the combination with the beetroot is very strong. So you have much more in the juice and a lot of benefit. So guys, we are going to let out our second batch of juice. Wow. And we are going to continue. There's still a bit more in the juicer, so we're going to just continue our juicing. Let me press down some of this trash with my wooden spoon, and as you can see, we have the rich beetroot going into the juicer, and this juicer squeezes, crushes, and put the trash out. So here we go. Apple a day keep the doctor away, and the lime is good. It alkalize your body. And did you know that the cucumber, it helps to block the chemical reaction that form that is not good for us, which is the free radicals? So guys, do your own research and look up on all these ingredients and you will see what I'm talking about. So here we have half of a mixing bowl, and I would love to give some of my subscribers some of this drink. Let's have a look at the top. How lovely this is. So now we are gonna let out our third batch of juice, and we are gonna mix this first one into this one. So each jug of juice is the same. So let's get into the serving of our drink. So let us mix the drink. And this is well mixed. So we are going to pour our drink in our glass. We're not putting any ice in it. We don't want it to water down. Okay. Nice. We're gonna pop our straws in, and we're just gonna put some Brussels sprouts at the base of the glass, just around it. This is nice. So guys, let me run outside and see if I can get a piece of mint to make it pop. So it's very cold outside. I managed to get a piece of mint, and it has a little bit of ice on it from outside from the cold. So guys, like, share and comment. Have a lovely week. I'm gonna add one piece of apple to it. Yes, I think that looks nice. Just to let it pop. Let's put the apple here. Okay, so this is going to be the end of our video. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with your friend. So you can like it, you can share it with your friend, your family, whoever you want to share it with. It's healthy stuff. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, and thank you so much for always watching. Bye for now.